Hey, Bob Carr here with TLC. We got a huge savings at the end of the year. Special for you. We'll save you 25% off on any repairs that we quoted you recently on your lawn sprinkler system and or your outdoor lighting system. So you need repairs done, and now's the time of the year to give us a call. Now's the time of the year to take advantage of our 25% off on these repairs. Even if you don't want to have the repairs done now, you want to wait to January, February, since we work year round. And if it's something that we need to get water back to the system, we'll take care of that. Either we'll turn the water on and we'll re-winterize your lawn sprinkler system if that's the kind of repair it needs, and or we'll just use compressed air to get the system up and running while we're doing the work. But regardless of that, take advantage of the 25% off sale now. Give us a call here at the office at 410-721-2342, at the office 721-2342, or hit the link below in the email. Take us to our page. We'll be sure to respond back. But let's get that repair done. Don't procrastinate. Take advantage of this 25% off year-end savings. We'll talk to you soon.